Abanyebezwa ngamahem him.
You mean Zunukwemba?
Do you know Rimbo sort of blend, but any as you tell us what up Rimbo, and then you're like every day, then it goes to Rimba toy.
Say I don't know what you're singing.
Which one are you singing now in your head?
I'm not singing any songs.
Okay, which one is the thing? Is the most famous song in your head currently? No, there should be a song.
I don't know. Look, if I get again, so what's the name?
Yeah, which one? Were you singing in a church?
I can't even think now.
No one not like with some movie. If you don't remember what you guys were singing there. You're like, hi, but this movie
like I would waste my time.
It's not wasting time.
This one wouldn't do that's wasting time.
Okay, ofunzonga minams. No, Tomavo.
No.
Eh? Danke. Kaje Mike. Kaje Mike have to do. Kaje Mike. And then we do it again. I'm
ready now. Ofunzonga mini about Christ being the mediator between man and God. Basically, that's
mediator him top guy, did he?
Yeah.
So like a middle person. Oh, yeah. Do you think you have a mediator in Christ? Do you think you have a mediator in Christ?
I have a mediator in Christ.
Between you and God. Is
he is the mediator. What do you mean do I have a mediator?
No, I'm going to make sure. For which one I go chill for yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Is.
Yes. If not, then I don't know where I'll be.
When you get up, Ganos.
Oh my goodness. That's between me and God. That's between me and God.
Okay, what's the most you've
that's not a question. That's
it is. Doesn't it okay? You speak up.
I need proof.
Hopefully, you guys are shooting on a Sunday. Please ask her how much she offered in church.
When is she far?
I'm actually reading the question now.
Lying. That's a lie.
Also ask her what her tithe is.
Oh my goodness. What is this podcast about?
Everything.
Everything.
Everything and anything.
Okay.
Ndone vhudza zwo ri podcast ti ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azwa vhukuma
rari zwinwele.
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on 3. Rose of Hanon, I did a company chair.
So let's start in Christ. How much was the offering?
I'm not telling you. That's between me and God.
Now, you offer every day?
When I can.
Church. Oh, there's points where you can't.
Yes.
I always feel bad. So, we are signing Keri Mrando.
Do you know what sense? Who's watching?
You know people at church.
No, don't watch. Like, so if you feel that way, it means you're also watching other people. Are you?
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
Not
when I was to get in the past 3 months. India said.
You're counting how many months? Jeez, oh my gosh. Okay. Don't count.
Yeah, so anyways, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Happy, free now. Oh, Takarat.
So I don't know what you mean. I'm always happy.
Oh, I've realized that, hey?
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Oh, actually, before that, NFS, Happy Women's. Is it Women's Month or Women's? No, Women's
Today
Day.
is Women's Day, I think.
Oh, Happy
Is
Women's
it not the
Day.
8th? 9th?
It's the 9th.
11th?
You don't even know the date. Because you did say you're another one. Because as a holiday. Marina holiday, my child.
Now it makes me feel like I don't care about women.
No, you do care about women. You don't care about holidays. Unless it's Christmas.
Sometimes Christmas you're also working, so it might not even count. Holidays are like you're relaxed. It might count as a day, but if it doesn't mean anything to you, then oh well.
Do you know anyone?
I love Christmas. I'm not saying I hate Christmas. I'm just saying if you're busy doing other things that are not Christmassy, then it doesn't feel like Christmas.
Which Christmas would you prefer? Your pizza kana ya ntu. Yeah, Europe in snow and all that.
I love snow. I've only experienced it once.
That was what, 2023?
23.
Yeah, I remember. Hey, see, I've been in Joburg also. So don't feel really. But then, anyways, guys, I was still saying to welcome to the Black Couch. Namsi, I've got a guest, the first female this month, because it's Women's Month. So we got to bring you the the female edition, you know. So you guys have been seeing the diaries of Pusha, and we're also trying to push this side. So who else to start with except Mtuane? Was a guru. Do you know the last time I heard him was a guru on this podcast was a white guy on number Venda. Do you know him?
No, I don't.
Greg.
No,
You don't know Greg?
I don't.
Yeah, you'll get to know him. Yeah, so coming at you live from Panda Studios. If you want to know about the podcast, the video production, anything that has got to do with videos, you know, phone 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then this episode is brought to you by Mashudu Florence and Insurance. When you want to Venda, coordinate office ya one corner R524 na bado ya Malamlel. If you want to know more as packages of funeral, also why don't you just
I'm listening. You're so fluent. I'm jealous.
I am, thanks. So,
Like, I'm paying attention. I'm like, oh my God, I wish I could just flow. That's
Right.
basically what I'm
Yeah, you
saying.
can learn a thing or
I'm
two.
learning. I'm picking up.
Thanks.
Okay.
So yeah, if you want to know strategy as packages as funeral, as the insurance never the offer, and offer neka 015-151-0251 kana 0252 kana neka www.mr21.co.za. MR21 true respect. So yeah, man. So back to you. I wanted to start with the thing with an icebreaker.
Oh gosh.
You didn't even want to save my number. You only saved it today. Not want to put my profile picture.
Don't be a profile picture. You don't know that.
Really?
Yes.
So you don't post statuses?
I don't post statuses.
Why?
Why should I post statuses?
You want to go to Zimbabwe? I have a lot of people who do that.
There's nothing for me to post. What am I going to post about?
What you post on TikTok, you can also post on WhatsApp.
You can find it on TikTok.
What if there's like old people that you have on WhatsApp and
I'm sure if
I want a
you
TikTok.
don't have TikTok, whatever I'm saying on TikTok, I don't know how to say this, but yeah,
okay, let's have a quick
I
one.
just don't post on WhatsApp. It's like your private place ish.
How many people do you have on WhatsApp?
That I talk to. I'm pretty sure less than 20, unless it's like car owners and stuff like that.
Okay,
I don't talk to them every day.
So if you post the status, you know,
I don't know because I don't post.
You've never posted a single thing.
I have, but I don't anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, it runs away from me. Like it fades away.
Okay. So as I was still saying, let's start with a quick one, just to make sure. So, Mercedes, Audi, or BMW?
Not BMW. Okay, it's a joke. It's a joke. What are we talking about? What specifics?
Anything preference?
It depends. Those
What's your
different
preference?
car brands cater to different things.
Yeah, but then if you were to choose one, you don't have to ask those questions.
Is that the only thing that's in the box? Jeez.
So which one would you go for between the three? Because I think that's the top three.
Which
German.
Mercedes? Which Audi? Which BMW?
Just the brand itself.
The brand. This is difficult. I'm not joking. It's very, very difficult. As I said, the three brands cater to different things, or at least according to me. And it depends on what type of car you want me to choose from. Are we talking about like high-end performance cars or like your daily drivable cars? That's
Like I said, just the brand as a whole. Which one would you go for?
okay. For the sake of everybody who's gonna listen, I'm gonna say BMW because they know. Yeah,
You're gonna go for a BMW?
yeah. I have my reasons.
But it's contradicting what you said.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Hence, I said for the sake of everybody who might be listening.
Okay, what's the reasoning behind that? Maybe I should know.
Because people tend to think that I hate BMW because of what I do post, and I don't.
Do you really like it though?
I do.
It's more like watu kwata.
I do. It's just a community of very competitive and people that don't really want to learn, and their debate is based on emotions. So,
Which one do you think is the best BMW then?
what are we talking about?
Like in terms of, do you mean?
Nah, there's ugly cars. You don't have to run away. Go to the phones,
Like a BMW?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe say performance.
Performance. See, now I'm gonna be biased because it's gonna be cars that I have experienced or cars that I know about.
Which is from the ones that you know.
The M4,
Oh. Okay.
the new M4, the A2.
You like a kidney.
They all have kidneys, just different types of kidneys. Like square-ish. Or, they're all kidney grille. BMWs are kidney grills.
But then
But
there are
like
those
the shape
huge
is
ones.
like that one. Yeah, the new one.
Oh,
I like the new one. People like the A82 generations. But I like the new one.
The G80. Okay.
Two.
And then
Because it's an M4.
G82. Oh yeah. And then Toyota or VW.
Toyota.
What are you basing that on?
Because I love the Supra.
Oh, you see. That's how it should have been easy even on the first one.
No.
Serious.
The whole conversation about choosing between a little Audi is like, I'm not like a big Audi person except for the R8 and the TTRS.
Yeah.
But like BMW and Mercedes are two different. Like it's you have to tell me what I have to choose based on. That's why. So if you want to be like, okay, talk about luxury, then obviously it's gonna be a Mercedes. But if you talk about driving experience and the whole performance, go to BMW. That's my opinion.
And then if we were to look into reliability between the two,
which one?
Reliability between BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Which one?
I don't know. Reliability, I have to own the car and talk about it. And I don't know. I have never owned either. So.
Nah, it's coming. Receive it. Yeah, and then McLaren 720 and Aventador. Performance. Oh, looks even.
Looks
and performance.
McLarens are spaceships.
Yeah, right? The 720.
Aventadors are like corners and sharp edges. And that's like basically the whole Lamborghini profile. And then McLarens are like not really reliable.
They're not. Have you owned one?
You see, you cut me off before I wanted to say the news on the walls that McLarens are not reliable. That's like the one thing. But when it comes to performance and the fun with driving, absolutely perfect. Lamborghinis are loud. If you want, hello, oh my gosh, it's a Lamborghini. That's where you go.
So which one?
20 years or Aventador? Which Aventador?
Okay, and then
which Aventador?
Yeah,
there's like different terms.
The thing is, I don't even know those types, but I just know the Aventador, the one that everyone prefers, or the one that everyone affords. No, everyone affords a Huracan.
Yeah.
The Aventador. Which types are there then?
There's an S, SV, SVJ.
SVJ.
Then obviously I'll get an SVJ. Why would I choose a McLaren 720S?
Because I feel like an S720 is something else.
And
like
as soon as you go, if you're basing it like a normal Aventador, then that's a fair comparison. But if you're getting on the trims like an S, SV, or SVJ, that's like the limited edition models.
So
obviously you're telling me to choose after things that I genuinely love. If it's something that's limited, if I'm gonna see a badge that says one of something, I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh, so special. So you can't tell me.
SVJ is one of something?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
One of how many?
I forgot. 700 and something, I forgot.
Oh, then that's not special. Trust me.
In the world of cars, that is really, really special.
Nah,
okay, how many SVJs have you seen?
I haven't, most probably one. I'm just assuming now. But
how many 720S have you seen?
I've never seen a 720S. Not in South Africa. Maybe online.
Okay, you don't go outside.
Maybe I stay in a poor neighborhood.
No, it's not that. You don't go outside.
I do.
You don't go outside.
Haven't you done
You don't go outside. Never on a phone. That's what you're saying. Like
haven't done on the streets.
No. I mean McLaren. Sorry.
No, McLaren. I just know the thing. Car wow, all those things. I just fell in love with it for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe the fact you're on a spaceship, like you said.
All of them are like spaceships.
Maybe.
All McLarens. Especially from the top.
Okay, so from the looks, which one are you going for?
Aventador.
So both of them is Aventador. So looks and performance.
Okay, performance is the McLaren because that's like a fun driving car.
Oh, okay.
But then the Aventador is like a loud car.
Yeah.
If that's what you want, then great.
Okay. And then sedan or SUV? Which one are you going for?
Not an SUV. I'm not a mom.
So when you become a mom, you're gonna prefer that one?
No, it's a sedan. I don't want a big car.
SUV. Haven't you heard?
I don't want.
Have you seen a woman autobiographic?
It's fine. Okay, SUV. Which one?
The autobiography, obvious. Not into Tigo.
The only Range Rover. The only Range Rover thing I love is the Defender, so we can go there.
Okay.
That I would choose.
Manual or automatic?
Manual. But why?
No, like you're a face because everyone I ask, like they're like, yo, then I say manual.
Okay, it's the thing of like if you want to feel connected or like in control of your car, you get a manual.
Oh.
Like if you want to know that I'm actually driving the car, because automatic cars you're basically not even driving. I'm not even lying.
I feel like if you're doing cut and paste, you do enjoy the thing.
Cut and paste, no way. No.
Isn't that where the fun is?
No, that's not what the fun is. The fun is knowing that I'm actually doing this. Like, I'm in control. Like, I'm shifting the gears. I change from 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. That's where the fun is.
But then we have someone who innovate or queen, and then they're doing all that for you.
I don't hate technology. It's just that if it takes away from the fun of what cars should be, then it's like.
But then isn't the fun in the speed? Or you know what? And I can easily change the gears.
That's what I'm saying. If you know that I'm in control of whatever is happening to the car, then that's where the fun is. Which is why maybe I love old cars. Because I'm like, no screens. I don't want a lot of screens.
Yeah.
No screens. And then I'm like totally in control of my car. I can feel whatever is going on.
Yeah.
And I know that if I'm going at the speed, I genuinely did it. Like I can come back and forward.
Okay, and then speaking of technology, let's go into combustion or electric.
Not electric. Not electric. Listen, I just told you I love old cars. So whatever question comes after this, just think back to whatever answer I'm gonna give. I'm generally gonna go back to whatever is old. Electric. It's fun and vibes and it's fast and quick and the talk is like, but
exactly.
It's boring.
So you don't like speed, you just want to enjoy the car.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm
you just want to. Is that what you want?
Point A to point B
no,
in like
man.
0.2 seconds.
No.
That's where the fun is.
So you're probably gonna be no. The fun cars should be you should be driving the car, not you being driven and then damn it. I'm so bored.
Okay, and then last one, which one do you prefer over between reverse parking and side parking? Which one do you prefer?
Reverse is fun. Like it's fun.
I feel like reverse is fun if you can't side park.
No.
Then you park side parking.
You mean side park like parallel parking?
Like like did you park side parking for the and because I'm like people are like yo.
I mean, whenever I talk about parallel parking, that's fair. Especially people. Is it code 10? I
have a code 10, but still I can.
So you went after inland out to side park?
Yeah, I watched YouTube. Everything I learned on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but reverse parking is like nice and sexy.
Nah, there's nothing sexy there.
Ah, jeez. Okay.
Just for safety, that thing.
Safety?
Yeah. Remember reverse parking, if I walk there something and you need to run away, it's just...
Yeah. I'm gone.
So imagine what you're doing on reverse and then you're like...
So you want to be stuck. That's basically what you're saying.
No. Nditofuna utonga after ndojena parallel parking.
So like you want to struggle going in and going out because you're going to struggle
I don't
both
struggle.
times. No, I mean like it's a job. There's steps.
Uber?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Are you being serious?
I'll show you when we're done here.
Okay.
It's dangerous.
Oh, okay. I believe you then.
Yeah, exactly.
If you say
Which
so.
one do you have? Which license do you have?
Hey,
Why?
I didn't want to drive a truck, so I don't know why. Saying why.
Okay, now I feel like a lot of people avoid code 8 because they're working with
Parking.
parallel parking. Because apparently it's the hardest.
No.
Okay. But then, anyways, it's okay, man. Like, yeah, let's get to you, man. Who's Loren? I don't even know your actual real name.
That's my name.
Loren. Okay, Loren-In-Auto. I just know it is Loren-In-Auto.
Yeah, it's Loren.
You should have a Venda name.
I don't have.
You should have a surname.
Deny.
Yeah. So who's Loren?
My full name is Florence. Loren is from Florence.
Really? Oh, Florence. Floren. That's so smart, hey? And what's the Venda one? You don't have a Venda one?
Mashudu.
Oh, Mashudu Florence.
Yes.
What? I'm waiting for the surname.
Well, why do you want to know my surname?
Because I'm trying to get that person who will video caller, so I searched them. Did you say this is your sister?
No, she's my sister, not sister.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, man. But then...
even if she was my sister, she would be like, my last name. If Maraganej.
Maraganeja?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a difficult one.
It is not.
Even for me as a Venda guy. Yeah.
Venda.
Maraganeja. Ndimu venture. Venda mchangana. Venture. Maraganeja.
Okay.
Yeah, but then, yeah, as you're still saying, like, who's Loren outside this whole thing? Social media and all that.
So like the car person.
Yeah, I know you're a car person, car creator and all that.
Creator? I'm not a creator.
Yeah, that's creating.
Car creator, no.
Not we eater.
Okay.
Like car content creator. We know it's content, so we remove that
okay.
already. Yeah. So who is you?
Who is me? How do I answer this question?
I don't know, eh?
Is it the interview type of like tell us about yourself?
Yeah, like tell us about you.
Don't like interviews. But okay. What am I? This is such a difficult question to answer. because I feel like I've done so much of cars that it's not that it's become part of my identity, but it's become part of what I do almost every day. So yeah. Anyway, Mashudu di musidzana wa.
What I say?
I don't know.
What's that much Venda? Because that's what happened
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah. I don't know why. Okay. Who is Loren actually? Now you're making me question myself. I don't like
I
that.
feel like you know cars more than yourself. Don't you think?
Ouch. Okay, no, actually. I know. I think I do know myself. I'm 24 to 25.
25.
24 now.
Oh, going to 25
Yes.
in November.
Who the heck told you?
I see things.
Can I go? No, serious.
Should I tell you the day?
Yeah.
Okay, let me save that for
No.
later.
Tell
I'm going to
me.
say it for later.
No. Tell me.
Is it 12?
No.
Oh, okay. No, I say, 12 in the moment.
Okay, tell me.
Not
then.
Loren-In.
Okay, now I'm interested. No, Zonga is on November.
No, because
I didn't even give you my ID number.
I guess a lot, hey?
I
Seriously? What do you think I'm going to get your birthday?
don't know. No, I'm scared.
Okay, so November 23rd. 22. Wait, what 23? No, I
Don't know.
Oh, yeah, 22nd, yeah.
I'm scared.
Remember I told you I got these questions. I'm on a birthday here.
Oh, you want to go? You
I don't know, eh?
know.
This other guy who does our preps. But I'm going to ask him after this.
Yeah, I should be on that conversation. I need to
Yeah,
know.
we'll call him together.
Anyway, 24 to 25. Ndiva Venda lonagauti. Mara, okay, I did my undergrad in biological sciences and then I did my honors in forensic anthro. And then I did PR after that. And then I did cars.
How did you get into cars?
I don't know.
PR and all
I
that.
have no. Okay, no, I did cars in the middle of. I did PR in the middle of cars.
Yeah.
So it was like pause cars, PR, continue cars. So I did.
And then how did you go from all those things that you did, like so biological science and everything?
I just dropped it.
Forensic.
I just dropped it. But I still like dropped the whole thing, but it still like works and it still translates and I still apply it almost every day. Because cars are basically humans, if you think about it.
I don't want to say it in that way.
Cars are humans. Humans are basically form and function. That's the whole thing. That's the whole human body, form and function. How and why an arm looks like this, why a muscle looks like this, and the function that it does is this and this and this and this. So that's what cars are.
So why didn't you go straight to cars or biological science and not the cars? Or maybe just do cars on the side?
I don't know. I just dropped it. Literally, I dropped it after my honors. I was like, okay, what do I want to do? Cars. And then I was like into car meets and all of that stuff.
Maybe when did you get your first car? Maybe that should be the question we should ask.
This year.
Really? Okay, this year. Hey, man. So this whole time, those of our guys were fun good.
Oh, okay. I can't pinpoint like a time, like, oh, like, I didn't grow up around cars. That's one thing for sure. I didn't grow up around cars. But I had a late brother who was like a big BMW person, which is why I say I did not hate BMWs, because that's practically my first love when it comes to cars, or like my first introduction or the first car that I had fun with. Yeah. So I do not hate it. But he had like an E39 5 Series. And like, I should see like, it's like, Nishia has like, so if anybody's coming,
where's
like
home?
No, in Mangondi.
Mangondi?
Yes.
Oh, how Road Kid? You know Road Kid?
Not Mangondi. Okay, Mangondi further. But yeah, I don't know him personally, but I do.
Yeah, Maraniva. Ndiwe masele bange jambo.
Really? Really now? At the celeb, I'm just a little girl. But yeah, okay. So yeah, Nishia should like you have to go a little bit down. So from the top, you would hear, oh my gosh, Chimangazobu, yeah, that's his name. Yeah. And Chimangazobu, yeah, and then it would go like to the like Geteni, and then it would come like spin, and then go into the garage. That was fun. So sometimes it'd be like, you want to get in? I'm like, absolutely. And then I get in the car and spin. So I wish I could drive like that, man. I can't.
Why can't you? Because you've been around cars, you're exposed to that through your brother also.
I said late.
Yeah, but then still probably he showed you some of the skills.
But
When did you learn how to drive?
21st year.
But then I didn't get you, Mama.
Why?
Because I just realized that, hey, this is as soon as you know, subscribe.
Yeah, it's first year 2022.
If the post-COVID even.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm on
No,
COVID. No,
whose car was I driving? Tell me before that. Whose car could I have been driving?
probably your parents. If
My
they still-
mother still doesn't even let me drive a car.
Why? Even now. What rate are good? S-class.
No, she just does it. I don't think she trusts me enough to drive a car. I'm like, you don't have to worry, but it's fine. I have my own.
Even with the content that you do,
Yeah.
she doesn't believe you or you can drive the car.
She says no.
Yeah. And then what was your first car? Let's go there now.
The one that I have now.
What car is it?
I told you what it is.
Let's tell the people. Wait,
Why did
in
I go-
of your
Yes.
Pretoria. No ways.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Why that one though?
Because
And
I love
already
old
good
cars.
car and it's
'Cause I
also
love old
left-handed.
cars. This is for a room where it's an old Porsche, pop-up headlights and stuff.
If you push me.
924 turbo.
Yeah, I don't know those ones, eh? The
It's
Porsche,
like
the Bazzi-
old car, long nose, pop-up headlights. Beautiful interior. You would hate it if you don't know interiors. But I love it.
Probably those ones like a movie of Fanda Meakare. You know those rich guys
It's
kind of
brown.
movie.
It's literally brown.
So okay, repair to what?
It's surprise.
Surprise.
Yeah.
White?
No, wow, that's so boring. I told you it's boring.
Mara, like I feel like okay, red.
No.
There's this color that you
Stop
said you
guessing.
like.
You're not gonna get it.
No, I know there's this color that you said you like a lot. It's on a bagandiana, but then it's also coming
No,
from.
no, it's in there.
You said it on TikTok. We follow you, man. You think we don't know what you do?
That's where you found my birthday. Okay, got it.
No, I didn't get
Everything
your
makes sense now then.
There's your birthday there.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Okay,
No
but
one
I'm
has a
telling you
car.
it's
I come
birthday.
no, even when you're going to go buy me this car. I'm like,
I pretty much say that about a lot of cars, don't I?
I don't know.
I say that about a lot of cars.
Yeah.
Because a lot of cars are special to me. So
Yeah. And then academic goes or Jenna because your brother used to drive the E30.
yeah.
And then so like any money like to get into cars deeply. How did you go about
That
that?
was after, like in uni, I think. After COVID in uni.
So you seen cars maybe parking lot.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah.
And then like my very first car meet, that's like my very first car experience, car show type of situation. I was working at Woolworths
Okay.
to do Woolworths to pay my honors.
Yeah.
And then like first day, Bryanston to Coachman's Crossing. And then not first day, but like it's a Sunday morning, I'm going to work and then I'm working. And then all of a sudden, 7 a.m, like the convoy of cars just going into Coachman's Crossing.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the heck, cars? Oh my goodness, this is heaven. And then I realized I don't even have time to do whatever, like to spend time with them. Obviously, I'm going to work.
Yeah.
I tell my supervisor, I'm like, okay, I just woke up. I'm very, very late. So I'm not going to make it in time. I'm lying. I'm right at the gate. I
Just in cars, yeah. Yeah.
I just told her, I'm like, I can't make it. She's like, oh, whatever, it's fine. Get here when you can. I'm like, great. I go and I spend time with them. And then I'm like, taking pictures and taking pictures. Pictures were horrible. Videos were horrible because I didn't know how to take pictures or how to do whatever I was
Or you
doing
didn't
at
have
the time.
the best of phones.
Yeah, I had the horrible phone. Let's say that. But everything was bad.
Yeah.
But then I was like having fun. You know, like you don't even care what you're taking pictures of, but you know, like this is a moment that I'm like enjoying and all of that. So it was great. It was a fun experience. It was fun. I was making friends. I was meeting people. Great, fun. I go back to work. No worries. Lunchtime comes. People have left. Like it's a morning come. It's like a breakfast situation. Cars and coffee. They leave. Lunchtime comes, and then I'm like, wait, I want to know who the heck that was and who was hosting the meet. And then I searched them and I found them. And then I realized this thing that happens. That was the very first car meet that they had. So ever since that day, I was there every single Sunday. Not every single first Sunday. It's Kaskovian Sans. So I was there.
Is today the first Sunday? Were you there?
Today's not the first Sunday.
Oh, last week. Oh yeah, last
Yes.
week was. Were you also
First
there?
Sunday, yes.
And then where are we working then? Because also you mentioned
I
Outram
work
Shimon.
everywhere.
Where is everywhere?
Where the car is. I don't have a workplace.
Because I was actually thinking this the first time this I'm like, oh okay, it's a peasant. Okay, review go. I scroll. Okay,
And then I'm somewhere else.
then remember if like a video moto
Yes.
and then you stay long watching
Yeah,
the video.
it's gonna pop up again.
Yeah. I'm like, I'm like, maybe,
That's a big. Don't correct it because cars are for sale. So if you want to buy, I'm not gonna say I don't sell cars, but I do not sell cars personally.
but you're in the dealer.
Yeah.
dealership usidila watu wadakumbula wachikotomunifarisa
I spend time with a lot of dealerships in this case.
So if you're saying you don't sell cars and then you're also working in a dealership, don't you then feel like, hey, maybe like I want to be telling customers, look at the engine.
I'm way too busy with the car that I'm talking about to be talking to customers. Maybe I don't get bored. Let's say that. Like I have whatever this is in front of me. Why would I be worried about customers?
Are you a mechanic maybe?
What?
No, I want to know, man.
I'm not a mechanic. What makes you think I'm a mechanic?
Because maybe like you're thinking of, okay, by law gym to record and then the car, now the engine.
Hence I said that cars can basically be human beings. Not be, but like the same concept.
Yeah.
Like applies. From the engine itself, you can say, okay, that's a heart, or you can say whatever. So with forensics, you do a lot of dissections. So like, you up. Yes. Yeah. So you do that. So like the car is basically
Sorry, cut. The forensic you didn't delay of rubber to check or whatever I mean.
Yes.
Sure. Okay, how do you guys tell?
Fun. Okay.
Like now I'm so fascinated about this thing. How do you guys tell no one on
it's called post-mortem interval. So like it depends on where the person is. You know what's normal. The whole thing about dissections or practical is so that you know variations on what's normal with the human body. So when a person dies, you're like, this is abnormal. So how long for, like, I don't know, give me an example. I don't know.
Same to Romana Antun or over a bathtub, and then Rokomana 8 of 6. Are there no? This person died at 3 p.m.
Okay.
Like,
so
how do they find out?
I'm not, let this be known that I'm not like a qualified person to be like, I'm not a forensic pathologist to be like, I can say this is for certain. But it's basically that you know what's normal, and there's been plenty of research and plenty of experiments done to say, if you put a human body in water for this long, this is how they look like. Or it's not maybe just experiments, it's like different cases or case studies to say, like this is how long, this is when a person died, and this is how we found them. So that's data. So data accumulating over time with different types of bodies and different types of people gives you an estimate of how long a person has been in water, and if they look like this, or if the muscles look like this, or if this slippage and all of that, that's how long they've been in the water for. It's just data.
Oh,
nothing special. Sometimes if your person is like under like Mudau, like anywhere outside in the maggots and all of that, or like the skin slippage, because like now you're making me think about bodies.
And why do we turn white?
Because you're all white under this, whatever this is.
Even black people are all white.
This color slips off and you just white out. Like if I don't know if you cut yourself, you should have seen that.
I wouldn't do that. I'm okay.
No, I don't mean cut you. No man, you make no. Like if you get a cut,
I don't cut myself. No, I think
okay, no, I'm trying.
Of all the places,
this is where my skin is exposed. I don't even know. No, look at me. I don't do that. Yes. Point is, like, if you have a cut, you should see, like, there's like a white on your skin.
I've seen that. No, not in the cut.
Okay, fine. No, what? See?
Yeah. Making sure.
Fine. No, so no, what? You should see that. So everybody's like that. This is just your top layer of the epidermis, and it's fine. It's just the way the color is.
Okay. And then back to forensic again. Just the last one.
Forensics.
Because GPT. I just thought of it. I don't know why.
Okay.
So when I say I've watched the Blacklist, did you? So I think he killed someone. I dissolve. I don't know if it was acid or what. So I was trying to ask ChatGPT that thing. Okay, I have 100 kg chicken.
Why would you ask ChatGPT that? I hope you don't ever commit crime in your life, because they will find you.
Nah, I feel like I have a reference of where I would say I got that idea from.
It doesn't matter.
Back when I travel, no, I come by something, and then I'm like, actually, you know what?
Okay.
So then ChatGPT, how do I dissolve 100 kg chicken?
You said chicken.
Chicken that I found in the bedroom. That I found in the bedroom date. ChatGPT, there's no way that's a chicken. Like, what do you mean? Do you mean maybe 10 kg? Or like, no, 100 kg. And then they're like, no, there's no a chicken that's like 100 kg. Like,
exactly. That's what I'm saying. I hope in your life you don't do anything bad.
So is that thing possible? Or you're going to dissolve Amutu?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, let's not even give people ideas. Sorry, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, sorry man. Yeah, back to cars now. Guys, ndito fascinated ngaso so. Should I take a move? I'm like,
It's
actually.
possible. It's very possible because at the end of the day, the whole body is matter, and matter can just.
Yeah, we'll talk after the show.
I'm not telling you nothing.
Yeah, so you're still saying Goro like okay dissector. There's so many dissector. So
Yeah,
I wanted to know,
it's form and function.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
So what's the equivalent of brain
The brain,
in the car, or what's the equivalent of the
like
engine?
the engine, I think it's the heart.
Oh, not the brain.
Like no, the brain is possibly like all the electricals going on, especially in today's cars. You have a computer in your car, so probably.
Yeah, and then also most women.
But like shapes of like how a car is shaped is like aerodynamics and all of that stuff. So it's form and function with every single thing. Even headlights, you would think, oh, they just had pretty headlights. There's probably a reason why they're shaped the way they are.
Yeah, and then speaking of aerodynamics, back to it also. A lot of spoilers which mean because I'm sure your car has it also.
Mine does not have spoiler.
You don't have a spoiler,
No.
but then they have
it's
those.
like a little thing. It's like a little small duct.
Do
It's
those
not
things
even
actually
ductile.
work?
They do. It's downforce.
Nah,
Like
lama
keep
urani.
to keep your car grounded.
Mm.
Because if you Nico, how do I say this? If
you are
you're like driving at
180.
like whatever speed it is, friction and all of that, like all the air, it's gonna make your car lift. So you have to have something that puts you down.
What's the highest speed you've done?
I'm not.
I'll say 2. I promise.
You don't say 2. You're lying.
I will.
You won't say 2.
I will say.
I'm a very law abiding person, so no, it's fine.
So you did what?
A law abiding speed limit.
Maybe you will say work out of Ben.
I've never been there, so why would I
But
say
then
that?
that was the chance to give me the number.
And
like
lie.
they would know.
Disrepair.
It's not like they would know.
And disrepair.
Kano work higher
You
land.
could have. Oh, you see, that's what I want. You should have just told me. Just say on track. That would have been fine.
Okay, you're in a track.
No.
What's the highest
No,
you've done?
it's fine.
You've done 260.
260 way.
I was with this other guy. When was it? Weeks before. I'm not 260. Just that you don't even feel it because the car is fast.
What do you mean you don't feel 260?
Like the car is that fast, it goes from 0 to 100 in no time, and then jiggy, you never can't cut to something.
Man, how do you not feel the 260?
You can feel the car is flying, Mara. It's not that bad. Nika polo.
I don't know. I've never been there.
You should try 260 with your car, the one that you're rapping now.
I think Porsche will kill me. It's not. No.
Nah, I don't think.
No, I don't mean like Porsche the brand, the car. It's an old car. You think they have ABS? There's no ABS and all that stuff. Like
So just drive safely.
You're telling me to go to 260 and you say drive safely.
Remember, safely is like being able to control the car.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, so you should try that and give me the
I
feedback.
like my life right now. I don't wanna.
Either way, we're all gonna.
Not now. You don't have to fasten the time.
Ana sunova na uri ngogidima slowly then ngogidima fast. So rather than ngogidima fast. It's just an idea always have if when you go with us so but but then yeah, man, back to your cars and all that.
I do not condone, but okay.
Yeah. So do you remember the first car that you did a review for? And how?
Yeah, it was
a
a Ferrari 296 GTB.
Is that with a Ferrari?
Yeah.
And then how was it? And then what gave you the idea? You know what? I actually want to do a review and tell people the spec of this car.
It's okay. I don't really like talking about specs, but let's go back to the car. You said what gave me the idea? Okay. As I was saying, you go to a lot of car meets. I went to a lot of car meets.
Yeah.
And so I think I sort of like filtered myself into like what type of cars I want to talk about before I even started talking about any of the cars. Hence, I started with the car that I started with. But with all the car meets, I was like, oh my goodness, I want to talk about cars. And that was a thing I was thinking about like months before I actually started taking the videos. Because I was going to like car owners at car meets. I'd be like, can I do this? And then you're a girl, you're a black girl, Lauren. No one's going to know that you know what you're doing. So most of the people said no. Yeah. And if they did say yes, it's like, oh yeah, like when somebody says yes just so that you can leave them at that moment.
Yeah.
You'll be like, oh, can I have your number? I'm like, oh, absolutely, this is my number. You say hi to them when you get home and they don't answer. That happens a lot. It still does, but it's fine.
Yeah.
But that was what was happening. So the other day I was like, you know what, let me go to Prestige. And then I asked Prestige and they were like, we've been waiting, wondering when you were going to actually come. Because we could see when you were there. Yeah, they were like, we've been waiting, wondering when you were going to come because you're always there with us. And then one thing that made me laugh was that Justin, the guy that works there, he was like, at first when we saw you at all the car meets, like all our car shows.
Yeah.
We thought you were just there to get like your rich husband. I was like, are you being serious? Like, yeah, we genuinely thought you were here for like some rich sugar daddy because we didn't think you knew anything about cars or all that. I'm like, fair.
Would you
It's
want
fair.
one though?
Want.
A rich husband.
Obviously, I would. Who wouldn't want a rich husband?
Then why didn't you get one?
Who said I don't have a rich husband?
Ah, come on, man. Yeah. High five. Laura, come here, high five.
No.
That's a nice one, man. You must
No,
secure
that
the bag,
was it.
man.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's really
Wow.
nice. Eh?
Okay, great.
Yeah, shout out, man.
Shout out.
Is he a millionaire or billionaire?
Why would I tell you that?
Okay, is he a dollar millionaire?
I started in India. I can't talk about him.
Yeah, as long as
Oh,
you-
I'm joking. I
as
didn't
long
sign
as
in
you're
India.
fine, man. You're good. So, guys, anuko wina vyo. Ono wana mkuwa. Is he? Isn't he? I'm assuming white.
Why are you answering white?
Because people say we're gonna go for a white old man that's dying.
Okay, I didn't say he's old.
Sugar daddy was when me.
I didn't say I should. You said a rich husband. That's what you said.
Oh, I thought you said sugar daddy.
No, I said that's what they thought I was there for. Like in the first days of me going to the car meet.
Yeah.
So I don't have a ring. I know you're looking for my ring.
Yeah, I was actually looking for
I
that.
don't have one.
So you're just in a relationship, not married yet?
Yes.
As yet?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, clean. Yeah, I continue. Sorry, man. We should know
Okay, yeah,
you.
that's what happened. What was I? I forgot. You started talking about the love of my life, and I forgot.
Are you thinking of him now?
Yeah,
How long have you been together?
2 days.
2 days.
I'm joking. Oh my goodness.
2 years.
I don't want to talk about it. You heard talk about cars.
I know, man. Mara, people should know you. Oh, you know what, Loren?
Yeah,
someone's
just
gonna
I
prepare.
think exactly that's where it should stop. Right?
Okay.
What were we talking
Yeah,
about?
we are Mara.
Cars.
You told me about how you started.
Yeah,
the-
we are going.
No, teach no thing about kwangubusa imbuso. Yeah, wala muthu. Then you would when you're speaking.
Okay.
So I should let it
You
out.
can ask. You can ask.
Thanks.
Bowie, the car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then I just started reviewing the cars, and the first car that I got was the 296.
So
White. And it was lovely. Red interior, bucket seats. Stunning.
And then speaking of what like all those things, like when you discourage at some point because you had been trying also.
No, it's discouraged. No, not discouraged. Because one thing is that they don't say it to your face. So you don't know until either somebody tells you
Yeah.
or I don't know. You just figure it out by yourself. Because like some people will be with their wives.
Yeah.
Like some owners, like the men will be with their wives. You can see that, oh, don't be a little possessive. I couldn't care less about your husband. I just genuinely am interested in the car.
Not
So
the
you,
husband.
yeah. But it's fine. The discouragement wasn't there. Just that it gets to you when you don't have, like if you want to be shooting constantly and Naman is not good, obviously you'll be like, oh my goodness, now I have to like ask people again and again and again, and you don't get anything. But it helps that I had like a constant supply of cars with Prestige. So it was great.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then also, okay, now that it's Women's Month, and then you spoke about that thing, or okay, in as much as I got to discourage you.
Yeah.
But then since you are a woman, because they feel like you don't know anything. Do you feel like women need to work extra hard or by then to be honest to just like men do?
At first, in the convincing part that I know what I'm doing, then yeah, absolutely. Because it still happens with me unless like you know who I am or like but you know my page. Not that I'm like a very big person,
Yeah,
but
you are
unless
big,
you thank you. But unless you know that okay, this is basically like she knows what she's talking about and this is like her like a code of cars, or this is like she had the archive is big with what I've like the list of cars that I've done. So you'll be like, okay, at least she's done this before. This is not a very first radio, so it's fine. But you still find new people that don't really know. They'll be like, but what do you know? Like that's a question that I still do get, especially because most of the thing they'll be like, they don't say it, but like, what is a black child like you doing with like especially if I'm talking about the old cars. They'll be like, what do you know about old cars? I'm like, you just read, to be honest. Like YouTube, internet is a very never-ending source.
So that's why you've been learning about all these classic cars.
Yeah. And then I think I have people in my life that have all the cars and it's easy to learn. Because one thing about the owners that I know, they love talking about their cars, especially once they know that you're like, if you have the interest, they will tell you everything you want to know. So that's all. Just feign the interest and it's great.
And
Just
then
be
also,
like, I really want to know what is that, blah, blah, and all that stuff. And it's fine. It's a conversation starter.
yeah. And then speaking of all these things, okay, go in a mini, you need to know like your story coming out. And then there's things that just can be that I don't even know what those things are, and I want to understand them. Is that thing as the supercharged, natural aspirated, and then also what's the other one?
Turbo.
No, not. I think turbocharged. Yeah. So what's the difference between? Because I always hear
natural aspirated. It means like there is no those two things that you mentioned. Like there's no superchargers, there's no turbos.
So where's the power coming from?
From the engine.
Just itself.
Yes.
And then the supercharge.
There is a supercharger on top of the engine.
Supercharge into to Range Rover.
Okay.
I think.
And also Jaguars have superchargers. Like
I'm
the
not
normal
really a
ones.
fan of Jaguars. Yeah.
Why?
Because it's just those cars, random cars that ziti owner market and
No, wow. Jaguar has great cars. I mean, old ones.
Give me
like
one.
before. The Type R. The Type. What the heck?
Type F. Nah.
F-Type.
Oh, wait,
The
F-Type. Yeah, F-Type. Nah, F-Type
The
is not so
F-Type.
nice.
Why not?
Nah, I don't like.
It sounds great. That car sounds amazing.
Okay, maybe after the sound.
No. But the driving, I haven't ever driven it, but I have been with the car.
Yeah.
So I know it sounds great and it looks incredible. So that I know. The what is it called? New one. It's an F-Type, but it's a limited edition. Green. I have it in my head. It's good.
Can't say it. I know. Trying to think. Like.
I know you can't.
Yeah.
Goodness. Project 7. Jeez.
I don't know those things.
It's a type. It's an F-Type, but it's a limited edition. So like they just add things on top of like the F-Type.
Yeah.
And then they just make it limited. But it's a beautiful, great car.
Yeah.
I love that car.
So Katebo and supercharge, like what's the actual difference there, and then which one
Now
is the
you're making
best?
me go into the specifics.
Because I'm trying to understand cars. I'm trying to buy a
Who
new
said
car.
I
now.
know?
You should know.
Who said that?
You speak of all those things because if you did that way. Hey, you know, in a type of way. I'm like, hey, what you talking about? So I want to understand now.
The turbo, what I do know, this is basically how I understand it.
No, it's all your knowledge. It doesn't have to be correct. It's what you know or what
No,
you've
it
been
has
taught.
to be correct because people are going to watch and they're going to be like, oh my God, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
Well, we also can't prove a lot of things unless Rakwamba Zwera Udzanga Mungomoto. So you can literally put a disclaimer. This is what I was told also.
Anyway, a turbo like takes the air and then like it sucks the air from the engine and then you feed it into like the pipes and then it like you hear it for like it's like do you know what I'm trying to make a sound. No, but I have the sound. Let me play it for you.
Yeah, and
Can
the
I?
table. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You can play it there.
Where?
No, upon you
Oh,
already
yeah.
for something.
Gallery. I was playing this video today.
Somebody younger Poland into the natural aspirated.
I actually
Because
don't
I
know.
know.
What is your engine? I don't know the Polo engine.
I don't know. So that's very.
No, but seriously, I'm not sure.
Really? But I know the new
supercharger.
TSISF table, the 1 liters.
I'm good. This is gonna sound bad, but I don't know much about Polos.
Oh, you're into classic cars. Polo Nizarne, what can I ready?
This is a video I posted today, so I know what it sounds like. Leave me alone. This is it.
Table is this too.
This is basically what the engine is
What's
doing.
this? This in 86?
Yeah. No, it's a Supra,
Oh.
but he's done things to the car.
Nah, it's the table.
Why?
Because that doesn't sound nice.
It is nice.
Nah.
Okay, maybe you're hearing because there's no sound from the exhaust, but when the two sounds go together, it's
Oh, and the engine.
it's from the engine. So,
Oh, okay. Makes
but
sense.
it's great,
Okay, if you
and
say so.
then they're faster and all of that stuff.
Which one is faster, the turbo or the supercharged?
I'm not sure. I'll be lying if I said yes to any. I don't know.
Okay. What's the fastest car you've driven?
Wait. Fastest.
Fastest car you've driven. Not where you did the highest speed. Just the fastest car you've driven.
Ah, okay.
So
No, stop. So I have to relax.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Wait. I know it's a Ferrari.
You've driven a Ferrari. You guys are enjoying life, man.
Why not?
Never all those things. To the throttle house, you see?
Okay.
Do you have it at home?
No, I don't. What makes you think I own a Ferrari?
Because your husband is rich.
Oh. Don't talk about my husband. I don't think he would like being talked about.
No, it's okay. We're just speaking of his car. His Ferrari.
Who said he has a Ferrari? No fanga is a Ferrari.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry then. I'm just assuming. Remember, I know you.
Stop assuming.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, A12. Yeah. So I'm trying to think. A12.
Yeah.
I answered. That's A12.
Because I'm on board. I'm trying to think if I've seen it on your channel. Most probably.
Oh my goodness.
So you have all these cars in your phone. All the time you speak, you're like, you know what? I've got files. I have
files. How am I supposed to prove myself?
Yeah. Now it comes with the car. Wow. Do you also watch those channels?
I do, but I'm not. What's the word? Like
You're not trying to copy them.
No. That's not the word I want to say. But I'm not like watching every single time they drop. That's what I'm trying to say.
Then you are not obsessed with cars like me.
A12. This is an A12.
Oh, yo, that's a good as a car. This looks like a new car.
You said fastest. Obviously, on older cars.
No, I was just trying to think. When you go to as good as a car,
no.
Guys, I'm learning a lot, eh?
you
must take me with some time when you're driving.
You definitely must come.
Tell me when they allow you guys to do over 180 at least. No. I love speed, man.
That's one you're polo.
Nah, actually, I have a polo. I'm not going to go 60. Come back, go. As soon as you have a
wait, go back 16 because we
igumaka 20 on mara nokanda nafa pedal raw metal and then you still can't go anywhere because you're probably on the thing on a step hill.
What's the top speed?
220 mara ndakamba zvimwe zvitu mara iyajena 209 ndizvendafanga vathu 209
zvendafanga vathu
someone told me iyajena 209 do you remember una top speed yambura aisvike chimwe chipinga yeah, I'll ask and confirm that guy, or is it 209 or 210?
That guy combined him there.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'll never do that. I'm a law-abiding citizen.
Right.
Like you. Yeah. And then
I genuinely do abide by the law.
Yeah, just like me. Yeah, and then also speaking of into the car, because that's what I was mentioning now. Do you watch these other guys? Papa Waneta was good.
These
like
other guys?
There's like there's like your souls are all those guys. Do you watch those guys and get some inspiration there?
Yes, no.
What do you mean yes, no?
Sometimes. If I come across the video.
Who do you watch the most?
Now you're going to make me sound like a bad person.
No, you're not a bad person. You can watch everything. I also don't watch all podcasts.
You're going to make me sound like a bad person. Okay, here's the thing. Here's how I go to YouTube. Let me just tell you. I look for a car, not a person. So if you have covered the car that I want to talk about and the video pops up, I will watch it. Let's say that.
I try to go for the person.
No.
So if say you're going to Ferrari and I know you say okay, let me make an example with iPhones. I know everyone is gonna drop and think a video iPhone, but I'm gonna go to
the guy you trust.
Marquez Brownlee. Okay. That's always the guy I'll go to.
Okay, I look for cars because I have found different. Like I have loved different videos from different people in different levels of like likeness. And it's basically the same car, but I can tell you which one was my favorite because of like how the style of presenting, like, because people will be different on like, let's say today I'm presenting this type of car. Today I'm doing the next one. I'm pretty much not going to do the same thing. Like my level of presenting or the storytelling is not going to be the same. Sometimes the story I have over this specific car is more interesting and I put it in like a very nice way than what I would talk about with the different car tomorrow. So it all depends on how like the story is told, because genuinely I love stories when it comes to cars. That's why I don't want to talk about, this is going to sound bad. That's why I don't want to talk about daily cars. I try to run away from them. I don't do press cars.
Daily cars come with
Yes. Daily cars don't come with that view. But that's what I'm trying to say. Like there has to be some level of specialness to the car that I'm talking about. Either price, like value, either a spec or a brand sometimes, or like history, or like a limited edition car. Like, you know, that this is just one of 700, one of this and this, or this is like a black edition or like a black series or something like that. There has to be some level of specialness. Not to say I don't like daily cars, but if I'm going to talk about a daily car, there's plenty of videos that have been made about that car. But I think telling a story can go very different ways, even if it's the same car, as long as the car has a story. So I can try to switch it up. That's what I think.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. And then also now, speaking of switching up, you then went to switch the language.
I did.
Yeah, like how did you decide that now I want to do my videos in Venda?
I
Because I think that's another reason you are here.
I know. I genuinely was sitting. I was shooting the GTR video, and I don't know what I was waiting for, but I was sitting, and I was like, wait, I should just do this video in Venda, because I was trying to think of what to say, and I couldn't come up with like the proper intro. Like you have to have like a intro, because sometimes you just be like, this is this car and this car. But I was like, I need to find an intro that works, and I couldn't think of anything except like what I said on that video in Venda. And I was like, wait, I can actually do this. And then I called my mom. I'm like, oh, wait, translate me this and this. Because like some car terms don't have like Venda to English or Venda translation. There is no thing. So I'm like, translate me this. So she's like, that doesn't work. There's no such thing. I'm like, okay, then I'll just say it to whatever I said. And then I did the video.
And then since then you never stopped.
Yeah, I didn't stop. I would have if it didn't do well, but people liked it. So one thing about the internet, you do what the people want.
Yeah.
So I just continued doing it.
People like your goosebumps. I saw on the comments.
Oh yeah, I did.
I wonder if I will comment on a guru. If you know una rems no more. Una rems.
Oh yeah, I did. I saw that.
Yeah, I was checking everyone.
Why?
Because what are these people? I'm like, Ariana.
How are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
So it genuinely was like a spur of the moment. I was sitting down and then I was getting to shoot. I'm like, I should just do this much Venda, it'll be simpler. And then I did.
And then the mean church got surprised after until so switch I catch Venda. Like, what surprised you the most?
I think that it's not a surprise, but how do I say this? It's like as I said, if people didn't like it, I would have like gone back to English. That's like a broader, wider audience in the way. But because if I stick in Venda, then I know that I'm catering to like a percentage of people.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people are not going to understand, especially the people that have been there before.
Yeah.
Like who knew me before Venda part. They will be like, what the heck is she talking about? Because we can't understand it now. Mara, what's the question again? I've sidetracked. Oh my goodness.
What was the most surprising thing after you switched?
Oh yeah, like the fact. I don't think this is like as I said, it's not a surprise, but Venda, they are so supportive. I'm gonna say that they're very supportive. They will comment. You don't have to know about cars. I can say like 40% of the people don't even know about cars, but they still come and say, oh my goodness, this is nice, but I didn't even know this and this, but I'm still learning and I'm still here. I watched this video 2 times and I'm like still here. And I'm like, oh, thank you so much. I didn't know that.
So
like the fact that you still stay, even though I'm not saying anything that is like part of your interest or like you're allowing me to teach.
So you're not scared of losing followers, maybe but you got to meet Venda.
Oh, wow. Like if I say I'm scared of losing followers, then I'm scared of being myself, which is the worst thing I could possibly do on the internet.
Are you proud of being a Venda girl? Yeah. What makes you say that?
What do you mean? What am I proud? I'm actually proud.
September heritage. What makes you say you're proud? Tell me now.
What makes you say I'm proud of Venda? What am I supposed to say to this?
Did you grow up in Venda even?
Yes.
So Chivendanga to Chamba like deep down.
Yes, they are much Venda. But then this is a thing that I don't really like. But it runs away from you when you don't use it. Chivenda Chiatu, or like I think this is the thing with all of other languages as well. Like Chiatu, I'm telling you, the Ndishamba, like when I did my first video, it was hard. Like translating, like, cause in my head I'm thinking of like what to say in Gachkua. Like
so you think in English, as opposed to us.
Yes, like let's say I want to talk about, I don't know, like if it's a car, I have like the specs or like this is called bucket seats. The interior is like a black leather bucket seats. In my head, that's English.
Bucket, yeah, something like that.
So I have to like live translate. And that's not very easy. Or like it wasn't easy the first day that I did it. But then it changes.
Yeah. Since now you've been doing this, for the longest. Let's try to translate some words. I got you some words. Zagoro. And see if you'll be able to. Because I've seen
Oh my, this is gonna be hard. Okay.
No, it won't be hard. Trust me. It's gonna be the best. Yeah, you can have a drink for these ones. Horsepower.
This is funny. Okay. Horsepower, like it does I don't think there's direct translation. That's why I mentioned it's barity.
Like the first time I heard it, I'm like, no, it is there.
I genuinely, I think I said a man that, okay, I can say man that's barity. But the thing is with car,
Man, that's better.
wait, let me explain.
Yeah, so yeah.
Let me explain.
Horsepower.
Yeah. Okay. Nicham, like when you speak, okay, normally, like if you don't want to say like 4 horsepower, you say horses, even if you're talking about a car. So that's why I said it's better, honestly.
I think it's something else. I bet it's better to read the Mashika for the DJs.
No, it's horse. Better if you mean. What do you mean?
Have him to go to the Barrett. You must ask someone. Okay, our DJ I could read the
You
Barrett.
lie.
Our end read the Barrett.
You see, I don't know. Then like bear, right? That's what it is.
You teach me about your industry. I teach you about mine.
What mean?
The bear.
No, and what does it
Read
mean?
the flop. As
So
a
that's what people
DJ.
are thinking most of the time. If I
I'm sure they know. Okay. Should we go to the other one?
It's generally just from horses. Yeah.
Okay, and then table.
Oh, not table. It's just table.
So how would you say it if you're saying
Inner
it?
table. That's why I say inner table.
And then torque.
Torque is like the pulling power of a car. So I don't even say power.
Wait, with turbo and horsepower, which one is used for speed and which one is used to go up the thing, the step hills and all that? Because no one would use
A turbo is it's a car part that you put on your car. Horsepower is the amount. Is like this. What do you say? It's like the power of the car overall. Of how many? It's measured by RPMs. Like RPMs, like how many wheels your car does, like how many spins.
Yeah, those RPMs and all that.
Rates per minute of like your spins. So like it's basically like a compilation of how fast your car can go. That's the horsepower part.
Because I've once heard
A turbo is just an instrument that just makes your car sound nicer and faster. So it also aids in horsepower, but it's not like interchangeable. You can't.
Okay. And then cruise control.
Cruise control. I don't think so.
It should be a word.
Cruise control.
You can try putting in a sentence, maybe.
No. I will not cruise control. It's like driving aids, right? Like that's like part of your car's driving aids. I would not even I would. I'm telling you.
So you're not proud of being a Venda girl now?
No, I'm telling you, I would not cruise control and that. If you try to do it that way, then you have to like separate the words, and then they won't make sense.
Okay, guys, because
whatever you're saying doesn't make sense. In Mudau, what is cruise control?
cruise control.
Cruise, no number to be, that's speed. You're wrong.
No, I remember I did a direct translation.
You see my point? If you want to get like a direct translation that says, "Oh, this is exact." Like
Mara cruise, remember when and then control and uranga.
So uranga Okay.
You see?
Okay.
You can learn a thing or two from me.
I've
been saying.
Next time. I'll use that. Uranga. You see, but the thing is, got it. But the thing is, the cars I love talking about, cruise control is like the least part of the thing that you want to know about.
Because always when it's daily.
Yeah. Or like your luxury cars, like the Maybachs and all of that. Like all the cars that you want to be smooth riding on, cruise control, then great. But I want stuff that's like special. I want limited editions, and most limited editions like track cars and all of that. So there's no cruise control in track cars.
Okay, last one, hybrid.
You
should get a vendor name for this one.
Hybrid.
Try something.
Wait, I'm trying to think. Hybrid. No, man. Hybrid is just like it's mixed, right? Like a mix of one of the things.
I'm disappointed.
No, okay, but no. Okay, what do you mean?
No, I know now I would tell you all these things as a vendor.
No.
But then about cars, I'm expecting to learn a lot from you.
No, but it's just, hence I said, the day that I did this, I called my mother.
Kabiri. Ningasi parapara.
Bye.
Ndakonyanga one interview parapara. So anchaya.
Go to Venda and go to Venda. Mara, you're asking me words that don't have translation.
Imagine what
I'm not saying what I know. Like Chivenda, I can tell you for real this time what it has run away from me, and I'm getting it back. But some words don't have. Those ones Chivenda. If not, then it's like a sentence explaining one word. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which will still work as long as you get the meaning.
Okay. I'll do better.
Yeah. Okay. And then now let's talk into the creation that you do in our corner is the content creation, because you are a content creator.
Okay.
You're ufana buriva so riva baba read and then you aesthetic.
Okay.
Ugo move
Aesthetic. What do you mean?
The car aesthetic. You are moving.
Aesthetic. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, not aesthetic.
You could have said yes.
No. Yeah. So from there, like, what does it take for you to do all those things? And then I also want to know the guy or the lady behind the camera.
Sometimes it's just me and my tripod. Most of the time, unless I'm at a car meet, it's my tripod. There's no one. It's just me. Press record, run, run, record.
But that's what it takes to be a content creator.
But if I'm outside, it's my friend corner. Yeah.
And then how do you go about doing all these things of content creation? Like, what does it take for you to do that?
Honestly, I just talk. I go, I get a car, and then I talk. As I said, it has to be like, if it would have been, I think it would have been easier if I was talking about daily cars. Like, it's easy. I could just tell you how you can daily drive the car, how good of like everything that you want in a daily car. That'll be easy. But the fact that I want to tell a story, but right now it's running away from me as well, because I'm trying to do like what people are requesting on the comments. Sometimes people like do this and this. So I'm trying to,
People do that now.
Yeah, they're doing that.
That's great.
Ish.
You ought to give us what we want.
I try, I do my best. But sometimes I have to say no, because I don't want to run away or like go far away from my niche or like the circle that I have placed myself in.
Yeah.
Not that it's a bad thing. I just think that there's plenty of cars, like car videos. And if I want to go and talk about the same car, there's so little that I can say that is going to be different unless I'm saying it differently, which is why there has to be a story. There has to be something special about it.
Yeah.
I'm still going to go back to that.
Okay. And
but saying how I do content creation, it's just me and talking. Just it's easier because I love the car. Hence I said this is going to sound like repetitive, but it becomes easier because the excitement gets on me when I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm finally seeing this for the first time, or I'm finally in the car for the first time.
Yeah.
That's where the excitement stems from. And then talking about it just becomes easier. Yeah.
Yeah. And then now back to it. Let's know if it's said. And then, like, you were speaking of how you don't like this modern technology has grown in a mini. Like, what's your take on the Chinese cars now?
My take on the Chinese cars.
I don't know if we should call them, but that's what people call them. They're called Chinese cars. The way we call other cars German cars. Now this is a Germanism.
Okay, sorry. That's fair. They're German cars.
Yeah.
Or they're Chinese cars. My take is, now they're gonna blacklist me. It's okay.
No, don't worry.
But I think there is little. They all look like the cars that we know.
What does an Omoda look like?
I don't know. What do you tell me?
I don't think I've ever seen a car that looks like an Omoda.
Really? Really?
No, the Omoda,
Okay.
Yeah. I've never seen a similar car.
But think about okay, fine. Maybe not that one. Or maybe that one.
Yeah, I've seen the Range Rovers look alike.
Yes.
I've seen the thing now, the Defender look alike.
Yes.
There's quite a lot.
Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my point. If the spec, the design, or the brand, in this case, has little story to tell, then I can't say much about it. So if I'm going to find a car that looks like a car that I know of, like another brand, whatever I'm going to say about this new car is going to look like a copy and paste from that other brand, which now feels like there's no originality in my case. So hence I'm saying the specialness runs away from me if I'm repeating things.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's my little take. Tech is great, I think.
Of which you are against? Of which you are against, though?
Okay, I'm against the tech that makes me not drive the car because I love driving.
But then screen kila chikukakisa mean in you driving.
So you don't see anything wrong with a massive screen? Are we watching TV or are we driving? If you want to watch TV, go to your house. Sorry.
You didn't say that.
No, okay. Like TV should be at the back seat. You know, like the Maybach has the things at the
Those
back. I
screens,
think
yeah.
the 7 Series, the 7 Series and the BMW has its.
Not
You
a
see?
fan of BMWs here.
Okay, great. But
Now people are gonna come for me. They've been.
the point is, like, anybody who is driving or anybody who's in the front of the seat, I would be okay with like it being on the passenger side in the front. That's great. But for me as a driver, which you are not alone in the road, there's like plenty other people. And the one thing that you should know, if the moment you get on the road, is like people say you're signing a death warrant, you're ready to die because you're driving. So if I'm busy driving and there's like colors and screens facing me on the side of my eye or like maybe in front of me, then I might as well just die, I think. But my point is, I should be able to drive the car and feel the car. Hence, I said manual, less screens. Like if you see supercars, if you see Ferraris, let's go to Ferraris or Porsches even. There's like one little screen in the center.
Yeah.
Or in case of Ferrari, there's little to no screen. The screen is probably in the center, like in the cluster. And maybe the passenger has like a little dash like this, which is just displayed to show you how fast you're going.
Yeah.
Little things that is not a screen. That's why I love supercars and sports cars. There's little going on for pleasure, like eye pleasure, but everything for you to feel the drive.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why. So
But
I don't want to be watching TV when I'm driving. And I don't want to be scrolling like through just to do my controls, like my climate controls. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's what.
I love buttons like
A lot
click,
of you
click,
guys
click.
are scared of that. Eh?
Yes, I click, 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 click. Like my car is just click, click, click. I want to click. Even my windows are like.
No, it's there. You're pushing it. Why you're pushing it there? Not winding.
No, it's not. Seriously, like. I mean, windows are fine. It's not a complaint.
Yeah.
Like you can push your button.
Okay, but then don't you think it's unfair of us, Ore? People used to say phone is like, click, click, click. People are like, we're so happy there's new technology. We just touch everything. But then when it comes to car, you're like,
It's a car. Hence, I said if you want to watch TV, go to your house.
But then also it's technology. What about innovativity?
You can be innovative not in the driver's seat. Not for the driver who's supposed to be driving with, especially with people in the car. That's just my thing. It's a matter of like safety and how complicated everything is getting. Like now I have to scroll. There's like a list of menus.
Yeah.
And now I can't just, you used to be able to just click your controls and it's fine. But now I have to like, now I'm going on the menus and the settings to control the cuts.
Yeah.
It's getting a little too much. It's pretty, yes, but aesthetics great. But in the sense of driving, I think it's running away from what cars should be, which is like you should drive. And now we're being controlled. Like sometimes you might not even drive the car.
Yeah, people.
Which I like the take of not driving, but if there should be a driver car.
Okay. And then don't you think in the next 10 years maybe these Chinese cars are gonna take over?
They will take over. I'll still go back to the old Porsches.
But then there was a thing you already got face out. We don't need those cars.
Which ones?
They go emitting to a lot of CO2 and all that.
They're not producing them anymore, but they're still gonna be there. You're not gonna go everywhere in the world and say I'm gonna squash all the 964s and all the Ferrari 550s that I find. They're not gonna do that. They stop producing them, yes.
Yeah.
But they're still gonna be there in the back of people's garages, in the dealerships, in people's collections, which is why I love going to people's houses. Because I want to see what you have in your garage.
I was in a garage with Dorita. What do you want to pack here?
But by Pakanda, you're more than welcome to pack outside. I don't go against that as long as you have the space for it. Most people park their cars outside because like most houses have like 3, 4, 5 parking. So
Where do you stay? You never know the garages also.
I'm talking about people's houses, not mine.
Yeah, but then you probably go into your neighborhood.
I go to them, to their. As I said, I work where the car is. I don't have.
I wonder what you do, eh?
What do you mean?
Like, because you never said anything. I'm a mechanic. You don't sell cars. What do you do?
And
Let's go
automotive evaluations expert.
Automotive evaluation expert.
Yeah. It's basically like portfolio management, but yagoroi. See, like people will be telling you how much to invest in stocks and all of that, but you should know which cars to buy, when to sell.
Is that what you do?
Hence, it should be something special. My point.
Oh, so that's why even when you the price of the classic cars.
It's not me. I'm just looking.
What's your take on a Gusheshe being 1.2 million?
Okay, the thing with that car is that, okay, this is the thing with all of the cars that you see on the market, like cars that appreciate in value. It's basically like, okay, first of all, limited edition. Sometimes it can just be a spec, like, oh my goodness, this is like one of a kind spec. I can price it however I want. If you go to Ferrari, they have, not Ferrari. If you go to Porsche, like just the color, they have PTS colors, which you spec outside. Like you go to like a separate place, and then there's like this list of like colors you choose from. Those are PTS, not your normal colors. If once you know a car is PTS, the numbers just go up. Like simple little things like that, just like it's just. And over time, the car was produced for like maybe just 1 year. It was just this number of units worldwide. 2 units came to South Africa. Obviously, when you come to South Africa, it's going to be, the price is going to be up. So Gusheshes is just like, it's a South African automotive history. It's like one big loved car.
But
so
1.2.
you can price it however you want. It's not 1.2, it's more than that. So I don't know.
No,
why
when
you
you want to kind of garage,
it's not one. It's not.
Marella garage in any rings that are bantam. Yeah. A red one. I'm sure it's still there.
What is it?
Is it an E what? E30
what?
I don't know. Marandi Gusheshe, look at 1.2 far.
But South Africa was semana. You don't call any car Gusheshe, but then same.
Why? If you mean? Gusheshe ndi Gusheshe.
Gusheshe ndi 3 to 5 hours pezi.
Oh, I think that's it. Oh, yeah.
Can I fit triple 3? I'm not sure.
I'll send you the link because there's no one I'm to renga with.
No, but I just know Gusheshe Kuma is more than that. It's probably more than 4.
More than 4 million?
Yes. Yabkuma. Especially in like the greatest condition.
I agree. Trust me.
Okay, maybe this is just one thing you should know. Sometimes when you buy those cars, it's not buying because you want to drive it. You're buying it because you know this is an investment. Like I know in a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, I'm going to get some money back if I do decide to sell it. This is the whole point of collections.
No, now it makes sense why you're into these things. Though, if value has gone.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So which car would you say I should buy now? Or in the Ingambi said I in the next probably 10 years or 15?
What brand?
Never was the Polo.
If you tell me, I'm not going to tell you anything because I took the Polo.
If I'm to buy a Porsche now, which one should I go for? That is relevant in the next 15 or 10 years.
Okay. With Porsches, right now, like maybe this year or the last 2 years, people are like going back to like the 964s.
Yeah.
Those old little Targas, that's what people are going back to buy those two. Yeah. So you might even get one of that.
And they save it? I rang.
You save it.
Give me 2 years.
Give me 2 years. 2.
Yeah.
Double arms.
Really? No. Then the cheese and the chicken, so ma quadruple never know.
But I'm saying if you buy it now, in 2 years, it'll be higher.
Hey, Maratina, you into. I didn't go to Scandinavia. I better go to Scandinavia.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But then also, as we're going to conclude in a few days, so I want to know, like, what do you think that the concept cars? What's the one concept car?
I love concept cars.
You love them?
I love concept cars.
What's the one that you saw you wished it had made it to the streets, maybe?
One I saw. I haven't seen a concept car.
Okay, maybe the one that was presented. You know how the brands are.
Okay.
But they present these concept cars and then they never make it to the streets.
Okay, let me think. You reminded me. I started a series last year, where I was talking about concept cars that I wish were real, and I did like 3 videos on it.
Why?
I don't know. Generally, I don't know. I
For someone who just said you like concept cars, you should have made more.
That I'm telling you, I did like 3 videos or 4 videos, and I forgot. Literally, I forgot. But Niti, saying that you are a polo person, as you say, no.
Don't call me that. I'm a polo person.
Okay, sorry. Whatever person you are, you have a polo.
Yes, you can say like that.
Una VW, your bango engineer Bukat. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it supposed?
Look into that.
Was it supposed to go to the streets?
No, it's a concept.
And those concepts supposed to be made and then Richizifuna
The- Yeah, the whole idea of a concept car is basically, I think, to show like what's possible, and then they just go ahead and be like, we can do this, but we're gonna give you this.
Oh.
Yeah. Sometimes it happens like a concept car can make it to the street, like it can be a production car. But most of the time, most of like 90% of the concept cars we've seen were like, oh my God. And then next time we see a car that they say is from that concept car, is like, oh my God.
Was the Cybertruck a concept car?
No. Elon Musk wanted to make that car.
It's
It's very cool and it's very fast and it's so fun.
But then it's electric.
I know, it's very electric. But
But you still like it.
No.
Because it's beast. Right?
What do you mean it's beast?
It says I'm here.
It says I'm here. It's like that one car, like so abnormal. So it still stems or like gets into the whole thing of like special. And it's not something you see every day, especially here. I just know there's only one Cybertruck. It's a Cybertron. Yeah, I'm shooting that guy. I can't wait to do it. Anyway, but I just only know that one. And I had the opportunity to be with the car and it was fantastic. Just the experience of it, because I'm in a like not normal car. Leave the fact that it's a Tesla out of it. Leave the fact that it's electric out of it. The presence of the car itself is just, oh my goodness, are we crazy? Like it's crazy to a point that I'm so interested in knowing so much more. Yeah.
Yeah, I should do that. I'm definitely gonna watch.
You should.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And then let's finish these sentences, ne?
Sentences, okay.
The ones I'm gonna start. So wherever I stop, that's where you continue.
Ooh, okay, right, okay.
Yeah, okay. So every BMW driver is.
Why you putting me on the BMWs? Okay, every BMW.
That's what I was saying. Every BMW driver is.
Male.
Oh, really? Every Toyota owner.
Likes BMWs.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so
Or
random.
wants a BMW.
Oh, so we're not talking about BMW. You just can't afford.
I don't know the affordability. I can't comment on that.
Okay, and then every Golf GTI owner.
You're asking me things I know about. I don't know.
There's no way you've never seen a Golf GTI.
I have seen one.
So every owner,
Every owner
every GTI owner.
spends a lot of money. I don't know.
On what? On what?
I have no idea. These are really random.
Yeah, I know it's random, but that's the answer you gave. They spend a lot of money on what?
I don't know. On their personal lives.
Okay, you say so. Okay, the best road trip starts with?
Good music.
What music do you
Actually,
listen
great
to?
car. The heck? It starts with a great car.
Not music.
Crash the music, and then the music can come after.
Okay, what's the best car for a road trip?
The best car for a road trip is a 458 Pista.
Yeah, I'm going to go to this David's hotel. I got to
Wait, I said 458. It's a 488. 488.
488.
Pista, yes. It's not convertible. It's not conventional in any way.
Yeah.
I just love the car, and I would love to see how it does on a longer trip. It's a Ferrari. It's a track car.
Okay. The worst passenger is?
The worst passenger,
Is?
one who doesn't give me directions if I'm lost.
Ayo.
Or if
You see why Chinese?
Oh, no.
You see why Chinese have made those screens now, so that you get to see where you're going yourself.
No.
Passenger.
Okay, then that means that we are scratching the whole thing of company and people with us. Is that what you mean?
But then I don't even know how to give direction. There's people that will give you direction like 10 meters before you're 10.
Okay.
Because they can't drive. So what?
You said, what's the question again?
The worst passenger is?
The worst passenger is the one who won't click the parking ticket for me because I'm on the left-hand side of the road.
Because you drive a left-handed car. Listen to you.
Literally, I remember the other time I was passing a toll gate and I had to, it was so embarrassing.
So how do you do it even?
I
So you have to jump off all the
have
time?
a big tong. Is it called a tong? The bright tongs.
Yeah.
That's what I use most of the time. But
So random. Yo, imagine having a tongue in a car, guys.
yeah,
Nobody
but sometimes it doesn't work for like the sensors things. I know there's things that work. I just don't have them. So I have to either get out. So sometimes not very safe.
So you gotta get an e-tag then. I think that's your solution.
I don't go to toll gates every day though.
Well, you are gonna go to toll gates at some point.
I like flying, but okay.
Oh, okay. The most underrated car is?
Underrated car is. Jeez, there's so many.
One.
There's genuinely so many.
You need to
The
get
SL500.
SL500. That's
Yes.
the Mercedes.
Yes.
SL is to be Pamara. I like a Mac, but as SL, I'm not really a fan, eh?
What SL do you know?
As the
that is
convertible.
ugly? Yeah.
Convertible as double.
And then the fun guy slash a T, you're hurting my feelings.
Oh, sorry, man. And then the last one, if I could drive one car forever.
Jeez. If I could drive one car forever, that would be a pure sangue. It's basically like an SUV, but still performance because it's a Ferrari.
Also, you do love SUVs as long as it's a sport car.
As long as it's fast, maybe. But it's a Ferrari. You can't run away. I could genuinely... If not that, like anything that's four-seated, but still performance.
Yeah.
I could do that.
Okay.
Really. There's many now that I'm thinking about.
Okay. And then before you give us your details on how people can get you and watch your stuff also, because I see you also on YouTube, give us your 5-car garage thingy.
My 5-car garage.
So I'm going to need a daily car. I'm going to need a weekend car, supercar, off-road, and a family car.
Okay.
So daily?
My daily car would be a C63.
The natural aspirated one.
Yes.
Like King Munada.
What car is that, Yakimnad? I don't know.
The C63 Yakuma. Those old ones. The 6.3 liter Yakuma.
Okay, that one.
Yeah.
That will be a good daily, although petrol will be lovely.
Yeah, true.
What's the other one? What's the other option?
Weekend car.
Weekend car.
Why you want to drive to podcasts?
Okay, there's many now. Okay, I would choose a Going, the Mercedes-Benz SL300 Going.
Okay.
Yes.
SL again. And then a supercar?
A supercar. Oh my goodness. A Ferrari TDF.
Off-roader?
Off-roader. It's probably going to be a converted Porsche. Like a off-road converted Porsche. Safari Project does a lot of them with the 996. So I could choose that one. Or they also do like, what's the name? Rothman also converts Cayennes. So you can off-road with the Porsche Cayenne. So you could choose that one as well.
No. Rothman is the guy about Monte Cassino, G?
I don't know.
Is it one? I don't know. This other guy I saw Monte Cassino. No, Nikki, Akisha, what? What does he do? He makes cars from scratch.
Akira?
Yeah, Akira.
Why are you saying Rothman is Akira?
That's what I was thinking.
No,
That's
Akira is a guy. He's not just a guy, but he's not.
Because I saw his thingy.
Yeah, it was amazing. The RWB.
On a poster
build.
I went to in Monte Cassino.
You didn't go?
No, why would I go? I'm not into Porsches.
Okay, you're not into cars?
I'm not into Porsches.
Are you not into cars?
I love cars. I just want to go.
Wouldn't you want to go see a car being transformed?
What does that guy actually do?
It's
He transforms a car from... Because there's a time when I want a Porsche, you're parking by the wall in a Monte Cassino. And then I want a poster is going to be coming in Joburg and all that.
yes.
I'm like, oh, okay. And then I saw you posted something about it. I'm like, oh,
It was
okay,
very
Leila.
fun and interesting.
What does he do?
It's like he's changing. It's nothing about the performance of the car. It's the looks of the car. So it's like wide-bodied and then a big wing.
So he takes the car.
But he
home,
does
what's
it
up?
himself live. So like cuts the car, puts the stuff back together. Not back together, but the new wide body parts. And then you build.
How
Voila.
long did it take for him to finish?
He did 2 days.
Oh,
So I don't know how many hours, but 2 days.
yeah. Okay. And then who
But
takes
it
the
was
car
very,
home
very
afterwards?
fun. The person who called him to change this car.
Oh, so auto Vizora they go
Yeah, you ask him, you pay for his flight, you pay for his accommodation, you pay for his food, and then you pay him to do the job, and then you pay for the kit, which is like 60K, 600K.
Hey.
And then you pay for basically he just comes as himself and you
Yeah.
take care of everything and he builds you the car that you want.
Oh.
But yeah. But that was his first time doing like that kit on a black edition.
Yeah.
So and also the first RWB in Africa, so that was cool.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, it's a many millions.
Okay. And then the family car, that's what you didn't get.
Oh, family car. A Venda. I could do
you
it,
did
Venda.
say, like
Yes.
with your 4 kids, your
My
husband.
4 kids.
How many are you planning on having?
That's up to the Lord.
Okay, I'll let that one pass. So anything for people and content here, like how can they follow you? I saw you have a YouTube channel. Let's give them all your things.
I don't really post much on YouTube because it's just the same things as like the shorts that I post. Not
Yeah.
saying that you shouldn't go. If you do want to, you can.
Yeah.
But it's nothing new besides what's on my TikTok and what's on my Instagram.
Yeah, so let's give them your handles.
Because I haven't shot landscape content yet.
Let's give them your handles.
My handle is Loren-In-Auto. That's
Loren-In-Auto everywhere.
yeah, everywhere. Yes.
Oh, okay. So yeah, thanks for pulling through. See, it was a nice one, very short.
A long 3 hours. Oh my goodness.
That was very short. Yeah. But then yeah, thanks for pulling through. Go to the Porsche.
Younger.
Is he gonna allow me to?
Are you who? Wait, do you actually believe I have a husband?
I don't know.
I was joking, man.
So I can drive it.
Yeah, you can. If you can manual.
I can drive. My car is a manual.
Dude, I don't know. I said manual and you frowned on
Do you think
me.
when I pull? Oh, maybe on Vivo Yantu. Yeah, manual.
as
Yeah,
I said,
auto.
I don't
Yeah, man, that's a budget car already.
know. Okay.
You should tell me when it's back. Or night every rote pitor.
You'll be busy, no? Don't you work?
I'll take a leave. It's not like I'm good at it.
Wow. What do you do?
But then anyways,
What do you do?
I'll let you know after this. Yeah, I'll let you know. But then, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. For they were willing to come and watch this thing. Now you know a lot.
I'm a
Just
very
like
good
me.
teacher. You should come watch.
Oh, you are? Yeah.
I
So
try.
you see. So thanks for tuning in. And all that. And then also make sure you watch the diaries all the time. They're gonna announce the winners of the groceries. But then and all that. And then this episode is brought to you by Emma Tuna Funerals and Insurance. If you don't know about the funerals and everything, you have a number of hours, pop up and check everything. There's a WhatsApp number. Make sure that you text them any time of the day. It's a 24-hour working number. And then there's also in your Shimango office hours here 015. Make sure you check it and then also down there over on a link in join. There's no problems on phone. If you're able to navigate through the whole process, you join and then coming at you live from Panda Studios. If you want to do anything, you should actually call them. Can you guys please shoot me for like a 20 minutes video?
Who am I calling?
Panda Studios, these guys.
Okay.
They'll bring all these things.
How much do they charge?
I think is it 50?
50,000.
Yeah, it's a classic car. They're gonna be shooting a classic car. That's gonna make you money.
Excuse me. What do you mean? How is it gonna make me money? My money? Is it my car?
Yeah, you can shoot yours. So now for the next 0100 2939 or info@pandastudios.com. Thanks, and then I'll see you on the next one. Ooh.
No, but do 50,000
Advised.
ndone vhudza zwo ri i podcast ti i na mudzimu nga ngomu
And that's all cool.
ri zwinwele
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
5 amashero utako and roof zonga 3 rozo fani uninga dela company cheyo